One of the things you might want to do when you're editing the content of your website is to create a link to another page in your site or to another website. So we've got the editing page open here. We're going to go into the content area and we're going to go to the bottom of this Get the Book page that we're editing. And let's say you can also order this book by contacting the author. And let's say click here to find out how. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose the text that we want to make into a link first. So we want click here to find out how. Well, let's select that whole sentence and we're going to make that link to the contact page. So I've selected the text that I want to make into a link, and now I'm going to go up here into my editor buttons and I'm going to click this picture of a link, and you'll see it hovers over it, says insert/edit link. So let's click that. And we get the window that pops up allowing us to insert a link. And it's quite basic. We can type any URL, any web address we want here, and the text will link to that web address. We can put a title, and what that means is that when a user puts their mouse over that link, they'll get a little pop-up that will tell them what it is, where it's going to take them. So that's helpful. And we can also decide if we want it to open in a new window or a new tab rather than simply replacing the window that the user is viewing right now. Now, what's really interesting about WordPress and an excellent feature is that it makes it really easy to link to pages within your own site. You'll see that at the very bottom it says, or link to existing content. And then it gives us a list of recent posts and pages, recent items that we could link to. Now we would just simply click one of those and it will create the link. So we can see down here that we've got our contact page, contact, and it's a page. So I'm just going to click on that and it's going to fill in the URL or the web address and the title for me based on that page, which is really nice. If we had more pages and it's a little harder to find the one we want, we can search for it here and it will find pages that reference that word, again, contact. So let's click that. And then we're simply going to say add link. So now this has created a link and you'll see the text has changed color, it's got an underline, and that link is going to take users to my contact page. If I want to erase the link, I don't have to select the whole thing. I simply have to go right inside anywhere where the link is and click on this unlink button, like so. Now I'm going to show one more thing about links. So we've got an undo button over here. So I'm going to click undo and it's going to give me my link back. And you'll see that this link button is depressed when my cursor is in the link. That's because I can then edit some options. So I'm going to click this again and it's going to bring up those same options. And if I want, I can change some things or change where that link links to. That's it. We've added a link to our site. And you can add as many links to as many areas of your site or other sites as you want. We're done for now, so we're going to log out and we'll see you next time.